Hello everyone, today is Thursday. When I woke up this morning, I was 64.3, meaning I have lost 50 grams since yesterday. Might not be much, but I will take it. Yesterday, very important to note, I had my period. Therefore, this week might go up and down in terms of weight fluctuation, which is totally normal. If I have a higher weight one morning and it's unexplainable by what I ate the day before, the amount of sports that I did, the amount of walk, it would simply be water retention. And that's very, very important to mark it in the calendar. I did. It's marked yesterday, so that in 3 weeks, if I start seeing a little bit of water retention, unexplainable weight gain, it's fine because it will be easy to track down. So this week is going to be a little interesting in terms of weight, but at least we know what it is, and that's it. So I fasted for 21 hours. I broke my fast at 2:45 p.m. On my way to the gym. I had an apple and my protein smoothie. And then at the gym, I did a leg workout, but because I didn't have a lot of energy, first day of the period, mind yourself. If you need to stay home, please stay home. Be mindful for that week. But me, I felt fine, so I did a lower body. I didn't do any squats, deadlifts. I just used machines. I will give an intensity of 5 on 10, but it was pretty good. I ate my last meal at 5:15 up to 6 p.m. Finished eating. I had lentils and carrot soup, then a hake, green peas, basmati rice with a half tablespoon of sweet chili sauce, and finished with some crackers, cheese, and a bit of chocolate. Total calories, we're talking 1,188 calories, 76.8 grams of protein. Overall, a very good day. I don't have much to say about the transition to OMAD other than we're getting closer to OMAD, 21 hours, 23 hours, we're talking 2 hours. So today what I may do is eat around 3 and maybe not an apple, because apple and shake is going to be a lot of volume in terms of fiber in the stomach. So I might do this, just have a shake and then have my meal a little later. We'll see how it goes. I will see you tomorrow for a follow-up on today, and I wish you a wonderful day. Bye.